City and our team, Norwich City!
Back for Coventry, corner played in low towards McLean, who helps it on, and it might fall for corner bar. He's hit the post, still loose in the penalty area. Down goes Matson. He's got Fisher backpedaling, plays it into the penalty area. Challenge made, it's broken for Torp, who shoots from distance. It's blocked, but it's going to fall for Mijjeesse. His attempt is blocked, and then he gets another shot in, and this time he's scored. To Van Eyvijk, quick pass towards the edge of the box. What a lovely flick that is from Esse. Hadji right shot, that's a good save from Kovacevic. Goal down here against Coventry, and here's Ali Ahmed straight away. Start of the second half, attacking the Barclay end for Norwich in yellow and green, and he plays it in the penalty area to Slimani. Slimani round the goalkeeper, and it's there! Norwich have scored 33 seconds into the second half. Found Torp, who dances his way past a couple of challenges on the right-hand side, knocks it in behind the Norwich defence. Hadji right gets there, pokes it past the goalkeeper, off the line by sliding Kellen Fisher, who gets a huge pat on the back from his goalkeeper. Torp's going to take it, lift it into the 6-yard box, and he's headed off the bar. Mistake there by Kitching. He's been caught in possession by Mucaan. Is this a chance for Norwich? Slimani's waiting for Diallo to arrive in the penalty area. Diallo cuts it back. Ali Ahmed! Yes! Norwich are in front! Ali Ahmed marks his home debut with a goal for Norwich City, and there's a knee slide in front of the snake pit. Played in, headed away by Kenny McLean, and now Diallo chases it, and the goalkeeper's out if Diallo can get there, and the ball rolls out of play, and that's going to be the game. Norwich City have beaten the league leaders, and the goalkeeper Kovacevic sinks to his knees in celebrations. There are high fives, there are hugs. That is a brilliant, brilliant win from Norwich City. They went to Wrexham and won. They went to West Brom and hammered them, and now they've beaten the top club in the Championship, Coventry City. And I'll tell you this, Carrow Road is absolutely bouncing. What a run! Philip Clement has got...